Hello, in this video we are going to discuss one of the most powerful plugin of WordPress for designing the websites. The name of this plugin is Elementor. This is an amazing page builder. It will totally transform the way you are designing the websites. It is so impressive that after designing the websites, even you will not believe that it has been designed by you. There is no limit to it. Think anything creative and Elementor will do it for you. Now once you will learn how to work with the Elementor, believe me, you can start your own professional website development services. Now first of all, let us look at this website. It has been designed by using the Elementor. Look at this website. It is beautiful and it has been designed with the help of Elementor plugin. It has logo, header, full screen background image, fancy headlines with changing keywords and buttons. When scroll down, you can see the parallax effect as well. Here we have 3 different sections with heading, content and images. Next we have process, entering with animation. 4 different sections are there with logo, heading and text. Here is the team section, having 1 image, heading and the content. Wow! Beautiful counters are there. This looks beautiful. This is portfolio section, having beautiful slider. Lastly, we have contact us and map. You can also notice that when I click any menu item, it takes us to the respective sections like this. It is just a demonstration. There are immense possibilities of Elementors to make your website a professional looking website. Now we are going to design a similar website using features of Elementor. Don't be afraid, accept the challenge. Now guess what will I do? Yes, you rightly guessed, I will install plugin called Elementor. By this time, you know how to install plugin. Just install the plugin Elementor. Your plugin is installed. Let us create first the home page. Here we need background image, the headline and this button. Make sure you are working under Ocean WP theme and you have installed Ocean WP Extra plugin. Let us see the preview first. It shows me the sidebar that I don't want. I need full width page. Let us change few settings. From the Ocean WP settings, main, content layout, change it to the 100% full width. Let us see the preview now. Yes, the sidebar has gone. Now edit this page with Elementor. A new window with new interface will be opened. Now this is the place where the magic will happen. In this area, you will see the live preview of your website. You may divide this page into different sections and each section may contain different elements. On the left side, we have elements. We can use them simply drag and drop method. How to insert a section? First, what is a section? A section like a blog. What is a section? A section is like a block in Gutenberg editor. I hope you know what is Gutenberg editor. Each section has its own properties and it may host multiple elements like images, text, video, headings and so many other things. This is one section, this is another section. You can create multiple sections in a given web page. To create a section, click plus sign. Choose the structure or how many columns you want. As I need full screen, so I will select this one. You can see your section is created. Notice, new settings have appeared for this section in the left side. We have to place image in the background like this one. Now from the edit section, click style and select the background. We have 3 options: classic, gradient and video. We will use the classic and select the image. Select an image from media gallery. The image is not properly visible as you can see. Change the size to cover, and from layout section, content width to full and height to fit the screen. Wow, a beautiful image is added. And stretch the section. If you think the image contrast is high or glittering, from layout, you may use the background overlay. From classic, set the color to the black. Click CSS filter and use opacity to increase or decrease the overlay transparency. Once satisfied, click update. Use this arrow to preview your website. Now it looks better. How to insert logo? Now let us insert this type of logo. Select element from here. Use this image element. Drag to preview section. Once flat blue line appear, drop it. Set the image size to the custom and set 200 by 200 pixels. You can also change the alignment. If you further want to increase or decrease the size of this image, use style and adjust it from width. Update it. Our logo is added. Now enter this headline. By using this button, you can go back to the elements. Now we will use text heading button. Drag it to the section. Once the flat blue line appear, drop it. Element is added. Now let us customize it. Notice every element has 3 sections: content, style and advanced. Let us customize the content. Type, we design your space. Make the content center aligned. Now to change the font size and color, we will use the style section of this element. First, text color. Make it white or adjust according to the color combination. Use the typography to change the font settings. Change the font from family. Increase the size by sliding it left or right. Weight is how much bold text you want, like 100, and on 600 it looks like this. Set it to 300. Transform to uppercases. Letter spacing is important. Adjust the space within the character. How to make it animated with different words, I will explain it in a while. Now let us insert this button. From element section, drag and drop once blue line appears. First make it centralized. Let us make it more beautiful. Go to style and typography. Change font size or color from here. Change the background color from here. You can also change the hover effect. Means how should it react when I take my cursor on it. You can change the text color, background color, hover animation. Just see it. You can see there is a space between button and headline. How to increase or decrease it? Click on Advanced and go to the margin unlink value. Now you can increase the margin top, right, bottom, left separately. Otherwise, it will change all the values in one go if you will not click on margin unlink. Let us increase the top margin. Yes, it is fine. Click update. I have done some cosmetic changes here. You can do the same thing by revisiting style, advanced and content section of each element. Just have some practice on this. Lastly, we have to enter some text here, our portfolio. You can see there is a heading on this page which looks very odd. Let us remove it. Exit to WordPress dashboard. From Ocean WP settings, go to title, display page title, click disable, update, edit with Elementor. Yes, title has disappeared now. So we have started working on Elementor. Hope you might have enjoyed few features of Elementor. By the time we know that how to insert a section, how to change the background of the section, how to insert the logo, how to insert the heading, and lastly, how to insert the button in a website. To understand the rest of the features of Elementor, now let us move to the next video.